All right, what we got here is a 2011 Harley Ultra Classic. Before I left Sunday to go on my bike ride, I traveled 375 miles, and these are all daytime bugs. No nighttime at all. Picked up that many bugs on a 375 mile run in Rockford, Illinois. Went all the way up to Poopies, then went up to Rockton Bar in Wisconsin. Other than that, she was pretty clean like this when I left, and I accumulated those bugs on the daytime. Now if it was nighttime, that thing would be just racked full of bugs. Can you imagine that? Splat, splat, splat. Sometimes it felt like needles hitting my forehead because my head's bald.